Good morning children, this is your Sona teacher. In last video, I had to discuss third lesson matter around us, states of matter, compressibility, properties of solids, liquids and gaseous, and CNG. CNG full name is compressed natural gas. In last video, I had to discuss this type of properties of solids, liquids, gases and states of matter, CNG, compressibility. But now today we are going to discuss about the topic is observing the diffusion of gases. Observing the diffusion of gases. First of all, children, take some incense sticks and smell their fragrance, place them in any corner of the room. Light the incense sticks. Try to smell their fragrance from a distance. In this activity, we observe that when we light the incense sticks, that scent in the vapors from the smoke mixes with air and moves across the room to reach our nose. So finally, we learn that the movement of air, vapors of scent and smoke is known as diffusion. Children. Already we know in previous video diffusion. Meaning, in this case, smoke, vapor of sand and air are highly mobile and are in the form of gases. So, next, let us perform an activity to observe diffusion of particles of liquids. First of all, in this activity, we have to take 2 beakers, fill them with water. Now take potassium permanganate crystals and some crystals potassium permanganate in a beaker. Take a dropper. Now add a drop of potassium permanganate solution slowly along the side of the other beakers. Observe the change in this activity. We observe that the particles of potassium permanganate and water spread and mix up with each other in their own. So finally we learn that the particles of potassium permanganate and water move. Therefore, we can conclude that liquids also diffuse with each other like gases. Let us now diffusion of solids, liquids and gases. Next activity. We know that solids and liquids diffuse into liquids and gases diffuse into gases. Certain gases from atmosphere, particularly oxygen and carbon dioxide, diffuse and dissolve in water and support the survival of aquatic animals and plants. Diffusion, therefore, is a very important process for living things. Diffusion is a very important process for living things. Oxygen diffusion from lungs into blood. Oxygen also diffuse from lungs into blood. So, oxygen dissolve in blood. Carbon dioxide diffuse from blood into lungs. Carbon dioxide diffuses from blood into lungs. So, solids, liquids and gases diffuse into liquids. And rate of diffusion of gases is higher than that of liquids or solids. So, the rate of diffusion of gases is higher than that of liquids or solids. Next, let us do a lab activity to observe the speed of diffusion to gases. Speed of diffusion to gases. First of all, in this lab activity, we have to require the materials, and the aim of this activity is to observe the speed of diffusion of two gases. What we observe? The aim of this activity to observe the speed of diffusion of two gases. So in this activity, we have to require the materials used in this lab activity are first one glass tube, rubber band, ammonium solution, hydrochloric acid, pieces of cotton. First of all, the procedure is take 2 pieces of cotton wool, soak one cotton piece in ammonium solution and the other piece in hydrochloric acid. Take a narrow glass tube, insert both cotton pieces separately at the two ends of the glass tube. Now close the both ends with rubber band. Observe the changes. Observe the changes. So now close the both ends with rubber bands. Observe the changes in this glass tube. In this activity, we observe the formation of a white ring from the least distance of piece of cotton with HCl solution, because the hydrochloric acid gives off hydrogen chloride gas and ammonia solution gives off ammonia gas. Thus, we learn that the both gases react together to form a white substance called ammonium chloride. Therefore, we can calculate that HCl is more dense than NH3 because NH3 travels a further distance than the HCl in the same period of time. Okay, children. In next video, we discuss remaining third chapter of lesson. Okay, children. Thank you.